Hello, wellness people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about essential health insights, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into an amazing content you won't want to miss. If you enjoy what you see, please give us a thumbs up. Your likes really helps us grow and reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts and any questions you have. Thanks for being here and let us jump right into it. The ingredients coming to the front burner is Ewedu, jute leaves, and baking soda. Yes, you heard me. Cooking ewedu with baking soda. Have you ever heard of the phrase from farm to pot? Today's cooking is the classic. We are starting from my garden. As you can see, I have three allotments. The first one is this. I harvested this a month ago. I only have two standing okra. Okra is the rebel this year, refused to grow. So the second allotment, all these are a Ewedu field. I harvested them and I cooked that. So the second one is this one, which I'm going to harvest. It's quite a lot. It looks small, but it's quite a lot. Other allotment there is a Ewedu, and I'm going to harvest all that. Next is to pluck out the leaves from the stem. This process is hard maths. I mean, Pythagoras theory for Indomie generation. They probably don't know what I'm talking about here. Let me know in the comment section your growing up experience with plucking out leaves from the Ewedu. Koto Ewedu. Ishen new. It's like a naughty corner for me. I never liked it. But who would have thought that today I will be doing this as a passion to the extent of growing Ewedu in my garden? My people, never say never. Is also known as jute leaves. Scientific name is Coccurus olitorius. Who sent me Ghana? Okay. It's a popular leafy green vegetable in various cuisines, particularly in Nigeria and other parts of West Africa. Ewedu in Nigeria goes with Begiri and Ewedu, Abula, Konwewo. I'm salivating. Also, it goes on its own. You can have it with just the stew, ọbẹ̀ imoyo with ewedu toyo pelegusi. My goodness, I am salivating. Also, in parts of West Africa, like Cameroon and Sierra Leone, they cook ewedu like we cook ila lasepo. They call it Krekre. And this particular content is inspired by Krekre. One of my mom asked me to cook. She's from Sierra Leone. She asked me to cook krekre. That was the first time I had to go on YouTube to search how to cook it. And it turned out really nice. And since I have a lot of ewedu in my garden, I might as well because this is a lot. This is a lot of ewedu. So I might as well just show it. Let's talk about the benefit of ewedu. Ewedu is nutrient dense. Ewedu is rich in essential nutrients including vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, iron, and folate, which are important for overall health and wellness. Ewedu contains good amount of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health by aiding in regular bowel movement and preventing constipation. Ewedu is high in antioxidant as well. These leaves are packed with antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Ewedu has anti-inflammatory properties as well, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and may alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions. Ewedu is high in calcium, like I mentioned earlier on. Ewedu contribute to stronger bones and may help in preventing conditions like osteoporosis. This one. My girls, I got you on this one. Ewedu is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a filling food that can help in weight management and promoting a sense of fullness. It's also good in boosting immune function. I mean, what can Ewedu not do? It does not exist. I know many of you have requested to see my face to connect with the cooking experience. This one is for you. Now let's dive into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty content. The leaves are plucked and washed. It's time to cook. As I mentioned earlier, I will be cooking ewedu with baking soda, and this offers several benefits. I am bringing both potassium, this is potassium, and baking soda in the second container to the front burner for comparison. These two ingredients are not just staples in the kitchen. They each offer unique benefits when cooking ewedu. Now I am going to run 3 cups of water in the pot and I'll start with the comparison. Let's talk about the potassium first. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in our health. When added to our cooking, potassium enhances the flavor and improves overall nutrient absorption. It's great for heart health and helps enhance sodium levels in our diet. And next is the baking soda. This versatile ingredient helps enhance the vibrant green color of ewedu, softens the leaves for a smoother texture, and alter the pH level, potentially enhancing the absorption of certain nutrients such as iron and calcium found in ewedu. Plus, it speeds up the cooking process, which is the reason why I am using this unique and versatile ingredients to cook my ewedu. The water is boiled and now it's time to add the key ingredient. I will add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda to the boiling water. After adding the baking soda, I will let it heat up for 1 minute to ensure it is well incorporated. This step is crucial for maximizing the benefit of baking soda. Now it's time to add the ewedu. Carefully place the washed leaves into the pot, allowing them to cook until tender. This combination will make our dish not only delicious but also visually appealing. And for those of you that likes to wayward often, this is wayward on another level. I will let it cook for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes soft and tender. This will allow the flavor to melt beautifully. Once it is cooked, I will let it cool down for a bit before blending. Unfortunately, my light isn't doing justice to this gorgeous color of the ewedu right now. But trust me, it is vibrant and inviting. Right, everyone, it's time to blend. With my Odogu blender, I have let the ewedu cool down just enough. And now I'm ready to achieve the perfect smooth consistent. I will transfer the ewedu into the blender and blend until it reaches the desired texture. You don't want this to be really finely blend. You want it to be coarse. So I'm going to just blend it. Ewedu, you don't have to be, it doesn't have to be smooth. This is where the magic happens. Look at how the ewedu is sliming gorgeously. This texture is exactly what we want for our dish. Sliming gorgeously. As you can see, the ewedu is quite a lot. So I will divide it into 2 portions. One portion will be used for the krekre and I will freeze the other portion for later use. Now let's get started on the krekre base. First, I'm pouring 2 cups of water into a pot, followed by 5 chopped habaneros and stockfish fillets, panla. I will cover and boil for 2 minutes to release the flavors. It's time to check and stir. So I'm going to be stirring it and also checking the pala, the stockfish, to see if it's soft. Then after that, I will be adding 2 tablespoonfuls of palm oil. As you can see, this palm oil is coagulated, so that's roughly 2 tablespoonfuls. Then followed by locust beans, iru, and the star players, the blended shower herring and the blended ede crayfish. I can't do without the oluri ebis in my traditional cooking. These ingredients add rich, authentic flavor to the dish. I will cover it up and cook for another 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the assorted meat, orishirishi. In this meat, I have momo, I have shaki, I have goat meat. You just name it. I have nkonuero as well. That's why I call it orishirishi. I'll stir everything together. I will add a little bit of water. I don't want too much water because remember are going to add the ewedu and we don't want it to be too watery because we still want to maintain that sliming gorgeousness. So, but not too much water. Then I will cover and cook for 2 minutes. Now, after after that, I will stir again and taste to see how everything is coming along. I will add just a touch of more water and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Remember to taste as you go. Tasting is very imperative in cooking. A friend of mine once said that cooking has its own technicalities. I couldn't agree more. It's all about balance and letting those flavors shine through. Ewedu is not only a delicious and versatile ingredient in various dishes, but also highly nutritious leafy green that contribute to our overall health, as I mentioned earlier. Incorporating ewedu into our diet can improve numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to meals. I couldn't agree more. I accidentally missed the recording the part where I added the ewedu to the Krekre base. But here is the aftermath, and it's looking gorgeous. At this point, you don't cover the soup anymore because you want to keep the sliming. For us that want to wayward, this is the part we need the sliming to go with the as we wayward, roll your hand while swallowing it. That is the cocoa of the cocoa. I also tasted and felt it needed a touch of adobo seasoning. As you may have noticed, I didn't use any regular seasoning or salt initially. That's because I wanted to extract the authentic traditional flavor from the Iru, Ede, Shawa, and Pala. And now the Krekre is ready and done with. Now over to the next item on the agenda, which is the swallow of choice. As you know, this channel is all about healthy insights. So today's choice of swallow is oat fufu. I love making my food from scratch because it allows me to reduce processed foods and focus on whole natural ingredients. So I will be blending 7 cups of wholemeal rolled oats along with 1.5 cup of organic flaxseed. This combination is not only nutritious, but also loaded with fiber, healthy fats, essential nutrients. It is a perfect accompaniment to our flavorful Krekre. I am smiling while even saying it. As you may agree with me, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Let's get blending and create this wholesome, delicious swallow while I take you on a journey to tell you the benefits of flaxseed and wholemeal rolled oats. Flaxseed is rich in omega 3 fatty acid, which means it supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Flaxseed is high in fiber, which simply means it aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movement. Flaxseed contains lignans, which means it may reduce the risk of cancer due to its antioxidant properties. Flaxseed also supports weight management, simply means helps control appetite by promoting fullness. Let's go on a journey to whole rolled oats. Wholemeal rolled oats is excellent source of fiber as well, which simply means it can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health as well. Rolled oats sustained energy, which means it provides slow releasing carbs, keeping you energized longer. Oats also supports digestive health, which means it is rich in soluble fiber, which aids digestion. Wholemeal rolled oat is also nutrient dense, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall well being. Together, they create a powerhouse of nutrition in any meal. To make oat fufu, it is super simple. Just boil water, then add the oat flour into the boiling water and stir, just like you would when making pounding or eba. Keep stirring until everything is well incorporated. Let me drop these quick healthy tips here. Blend enough flaxseed to use for your recipe, and if you happen to blend more than necessary, just store it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. Why? Because flaxseed can go rancid, meaning after blending, it can start losing its nutrients if not stored properly. That's why I don't encourage buying pre-blended or powdered flaxseed from the store. Always buy it in its whole form. And if you blend it yourself, be sure to freeze it within an hour of blending to retain all its amazing health benefits. And voila! Here's the powerhouse combo: oat fufu and krekre. I call this dish hospital too far because it is packed with health benefits. Now, let's give it a taste. Look at that color and texture. Beautiful. Mind you, I can't waver, like lick my fingers, swing my wrist like I would normally because I'm trying to keep it posh for this video. But trust me, I will do proper justice to this meal after recording. My taster can't wait, and honestly, I wish I could capture their reaction on camera. It's going to be priceless. Wellness people, eating this meal means you are sending good, healthy alerts to your body because it is a powerhouse combo. And your body will reciprocate by singing back to you, saying, I don't get alert, God win. For the second portion of the Ewedu, here is how I freeze it. I will use PBA-free silicone freezer tray and a whisk. I will start by adding the Olori Ebis. You know what my Olori Ebis are by now. Shower, blended shower, a day, and a double seasoning. Then I will whisk to incorporate everything together. I will give it a good whisk and look at that gorgeousness. That green, slimy, thick, elegant Ewedu. I mean, standing tall, walking on the runway of my whisk. Look at that gorgeousness. Ooh, ooh. Then I will now portion in the freezer tray and freeze. I love this method because whenever I feel like having Ewedu with stew, I can even easily take one portion out, heat it in a saucepan for 2 minutes, and serve. Before I sign off, I just want to say a massive thank you for all your amazing support on this channel. If you haven't yet, kindly like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy content. Happy cooking wellness, people, and I am sending you healthy odds. Bye.